Mayambu Prabhu Jesu Christagi minda taram oksari. Masidi yamna maruiba topic. Matthew chapter 4 gi Prabhu Jesu Christabu Saitana Them Kiba. Adugi maramda aina ngangjagani Ahanba Themba first temptation of Christ. Agi sermon gi title gi mami Prabhu Jesu Christabu gi Ahanba Themba habda ahumni masi amaruai. I Christian sing the Masigi Madam the Patana Kang by Sidraka, the Satan, so Matam the Haiva, Prabhu Jesu Christabu, Tem Kiba, Saying Ahum, Athemba, Ahumado, Equadesu, Handana Masi, Togani, have a said Bible that Fazana, Quene, Kange, Aduna Matsigi Madam the Quena Hana, Nainosi, Ahanba temptation, Absidagi, Quena Karikari Paratambaya have Sequoia, Ahamba, short as in say Sargadaleva. Yan Shaw to Ganabe by shore. Any idea Tagatari. Ipa Ainang was a Naki Wahi when you. Tawai sing with an eggy chile show with an epa. A suki mating maru ekaba. A humber Prabhu Sukristabu Ahanba Themba, Tim Kiba Ahanba Athemba, Digi Maranda. When an Inagadori, a Kishu Haidana Angjaban Tepa, Nakit Hawaiian sing Butar and Punkurim to Hawaiian sing Bidana. A Sigumba, Athemba, Prabhu Lakiba, Athemba, Equidash Lakadabado. But to get when not Tunaba, Mission Kanduna, Kwang Chenduna, Labong Banana, and the holding with Pavana in view, Prabhu Jesu Christagi in the Kurmzari. But Matthew chapter 4, the Pang, Ahanba Ipadaka, Matthew chapter 4, 1 to 3. Masigi topic 1 to 3 there. Yingse, Masida Paraga in a Masigi Maranda, Nazarake. Then was Jesus led up of the Spirit into the wilderness to be tempted of the devil. Saitana Mahapu Tengai the more Prabhu Jesu Krishna baptized of Matin the Marche Lamhanga and commanded the minute Funi Hoi Aduga baptized of Matin the Mother Martin Saitana Tiana Viter and the minute Funi Lamhanga. Sarai when he had fasted 40 days and 40 nights, Mahana the minute Funi. Sarai Helaba Matunda Ahin Dang Sarai Helaba Matamda, he was afterward and hunger. And when the tempter came to him, he said, Athemba Duna Lagahai, if thou be the Son of God, command that this stone be made bread. Masigi Nusing a setal or Lagasaw him. The Maribo Parakan. But he answered and said, it is written, man shall not live by bread alone, but by every word that proceeded out of the mouth of God. When the Sinda Katazara Kumibne Hingadabnate, Adubu, is sure it's in the Tolpa Washing, Habdi, Bible a Sigimapana, Equina, Hingadabani, have seen the making. Hi. But the Nachina Saquena Sidagi and Baye Baptism Norba Matun the Mana Nimunipuni, Prabhu Jesu Christina. Ahin Mundang no Mindipuni Mahan Sarah Henki. Karikidabo Henkibno. Hibs when Kangutai. Why did before he began his ministry, man marking ministry holding at the man Lamanda, Labulamanga, but the Salagamana up the Ashing Lobulaga, no Mindifuni, Mundang Nifuni, Manasara Hill is a Karikitamutan. Adigi Matunda, Ivan Hibig Matuna Mahia, Lamam Yah. When the Kangadam Nish, they give probably Sukris a day, time found that equate me amaguna. Mahagla, a sinful nature, I did pop, Tauba, pop, Tongai, the Itil labor, Dugum Bahachang, the Mahana, Lodun lap, me get some money, Adugi the Mactani Mark, Kang, carrying Mamma, me or the Tali Satana, my shoroina, Lapo Tali Satana, Moas, like a on the temple, me or we get the Momache, Satana Mark with Tembalapani, Adugumaki, Ahanba, Athemba to the Quena Cambe, Prabhu Jesu Christa Bukari the Mo. When a team was a Kari Matang, no have a matan, the Sabi matan. Nang Yam Lame, Nang show you Masani Hirabina, she the Maigi, Lamhang to the Tadunale. Don't hide the Nung Singen and the Tal all alone, do a chow having Masini. Masidigi Quena, Tambaya Parase, Quena, Adu Prabhu Jesu Christian decay, Nung Quena, New Evaze, Sindak Hatasara Hingadabανate. Adu show each in the Tolopoation. Saraka Hingadabni Habsni. Aduna say a Ahanba, Prabhu Jesu Christagi, Prabhu Jesu Christabu Temkiba, Ahanba Athemba, Ahanba Athemba, Prabhu Jesu Christagi, Ahanba Athemba, Have Karida, Temi have a matam that saw the Temi. At an Agi, Masigi topic as usual appetite, have the indulgence of appetite. Masigi Madam Daina, Anjay, Masi Amorway, Karigamo, when a convey. Saitan Jadu Matam the Saitan Jama, say Prabhu Jesu Christ poke to him, Mamang the Adam Heck Pap to Budina, Prabhu Jesu Christ la Pig Matam, say listen Marie. Hi, listen Marie is the man. Me couldn't make Athemba Karina, why did Sana music Karida in Tal to Hanbangam have Semana, Pazana Kane. I don't know, Madame, I don't know, have Matamda Duga, how did it Prabhu Jesu Christ on the Minipuni Ju, Sarah Helavani? I think Nipun, the Minipuni Sarah Helavani, Madhu, Lam of Nina, man of success or Kiba, Athemba could move to Hankiba, Dugba, Athemba, Sab, I say, Masida Tower Gana, Hana Lavani. When the Kanga of the Sab the Karigam, you know, how say, when Kambe, Saitana, Prabhu Jesu Christ, Sab the Temse, Masi, Maram di. Karino have a Mipum could time upon the lacquer when Mipum could moxe, high Athemba, sit a tad of a Yautim. Madugam Maku, Tembani hai. Aduga Sida hai, Ellen Joanna, Maggie Lyric, testimony for the Stars volume 3 page 562 high. Masi, when you say, true appetite, Satan control the mind and the being. I call you by Biggie, when me a big pung, Aduga quick Hakchang de. Saitan, I could come control to Imana, quit the lager, come control to Habuva, Saba, appetite, have a say, Masigi Mafana, Saba Takpa, have a say, Masigi Mafana. Appetite have the desire or relish for food or drink, and that took a strong desire. When I'm not sunning, but I'm not tapping by have a say, Masiga, Bambalebze, Masigi, Coamblebze, Masibu, when appetite, Hanakane. I don't know how to punch the team Kibini, Masikari, you know, quite moving in the same. If the indulgence of appetite was so strong upon the rest that in order to break its power, the divine Son of God in behalf of man was required to fast nearly 6 weeks. Prabhu Jesu Christana, Karigidamang, Numit, Nipuni Karigidamang Mahan Sarah Helibno Havam Batanda, appetite have a say, Masika the one you have control to Bungam Davadagi, Sahi Lissing Marie. High working Matamas, automatic machine music, Chikumatim upon and swallow lay. I don't know how to say, couldn't send by say, Mahana Laga Mu begin among Michan the Lepoga, Masimana, couldn't tell Salaga, I quit my button by mission is Manatoguna, Taurung Agidamo, Mahana, the many funisara, hen kidnap is now, sir. Masi Ariam the Henkivanete, diving me of none a Java, tuck with a quick control to woman the equage, Masiki the Mohan Kevin. Appetite, Sati have said. Appetite control to what's control to in the Taring Matam the Sab, Matam the Sab, Masigi, Pat the wives, Karino have the queen. When the Sab took wives in, there is no sin. When the Saba, a Povatina Saba, a Povatak Podago, a queen of Kari shoe, a part 80. I do be shown the other habit of Saba, not trigger queen, Matam night in the Saba, Puncha Saba. Quick is a cow have say, when the Kanga of Zik already have say, Karimo Porama who the child have say. Masi akhoi gi chakhau digi empty to wo matam de at least 5 hour gum di chang hoi fruits gum boy ra go di yam matam tele pung ama ani ahum sidagi hen sing de aduna ta mana masing khoi chari ba carbohydrate protein asin sing ba sing je chakhau ado khoi chakhau di empty to wo matam da pung manga di chang aina hoji kai gum ba ma sa re nga pung gai le ra kan da mu sa ba matam da digestion je makok te gi mo hawe ba masi makok te gi mo hawe Adudi aina pungai le rasa ta di pungai am sontan le maduna khoi gi chakhau je kaidoba adum sina le ne chakhau gi mapang asiki matika le adugo pung ama le kan khoi gi chakhau je empty to dring da khoi ne ihang hangan dring da amuk pung ama le ga sasal di amuk kaidoba makok te gi mo hore sai pung ama sangi do adu amuk kaidoba haibo pung ama sangram ne pung taru sangal le asamaina macit sabi ne khoi chakhau gi mathau je ha Hanthale at Sinamaram with an quick brand pate, brand pata, ring a kedaba, Saitana, my couldn't moto, control to wives. It I like him, snatcher. Maduki the mic couldn't appetite control to wives say, must see young Maru with the topic ni have say, a couldn't yang say. I do not couldn't come with a para mana. If Adam, a quick type pan, so you might take pata the night when Hosi, Nasi Papa Pap the Paki, found the Irunda, looked in the Taduna lady, say Carigno, if Adam the short guy. Why did you swan but? Why did you swan but? Athemba in Moy the Fifth, Carino I can a papa afabagi ko afafata khangningai upambi adu ki uheido adu saknu hai masi ai pararo ke Genesis 3 gi 1 to 5 te nakhna khang mokoi gi apam uhei makai oi da thamkre mokoi da chane apam ba makai ko makal khuding loi na phangkre adu ama khatam mokoi gi saing da mo prim ni madu saknu hai bine madu da kai doi ba ifna sare saitan aduga maki mapuroi da chu pichare aduna pato akoi gi Ahanba ifadam gi koi taibang mye ba koi gi ipai pu Ahanba pap se sabada tu gi ba mokoi aduna mokoi na tu khrabni na tang pa da la phang ni pum khuding mu chu sabada tu da ba mi amatta leitre snap sa machi aina pazarake asagi sidai da ko alanji white hide ba nupi sina iba ko ma yam phaje health ki maram da chang phabi gi maram da mana iram je soke matik phakre phajakre abi gi maram da asumna hai sidai ko kogi if adam gi maram da sida masari ba lairi adu gi ngai testimony for the church volume 3 gi page 491 hai as our first parents lost Eden through the indulgence of appetite. Our only hope of regaining Eden is through the firm denial of appetite and passion. If Adam na ikoina appetite have a sabata koina, shona sagun haido, saruba, asina paptaki, the mito duna mokoina, shona sagun have a dubu mokoina the chap. A quid the see shona sagun have ame, coin sap. Asina maram with no kedo, matan sadan sab. Have see shona yati, asina maram with no kedo matanda. Koi Eden Guardian do, Mokoi Mankin, Makoi Damako, I shone a pipi crab, took my thing with the money, I do my dog, I could you, Sargas at Gay Haragadi had a appetite, Quina, Matana Massi Sabaze, when the Sab is on a patre habits, Tadupa, Aduga, Matamatam Sadan Sabaze, Massi Equina, head control, Palm, I couldn't see a Massi and the Lepoga, Luina Tobam, Dragadi, Equi Amona, Equi Eden, Pamba, have the Equi. Among the circles of Bible, we talked about him. She knows that this sin is very serious and dangerous of all sin. Couldn't make the hands at him about it. Massini, Hibsi, Niching, Massigi, appetite, put the Habsi, Bible, they could have encouraging. Now I matamda, Muyamchi. Genesis 6:11. The earth also was cut up before God, and the earth was filled with violence. Showing Mama the pity, ultimately to good ceremony. Lamta Satra Wangan Sananda, Sabat, and Molame, Aduna, Tangpando Kadoba, Hinchan, Pig Talame. Me couldn't let a walk of the Kadoba. Pata by Kamaito, me, Mamma, Kamaito, Massive, Kamaito, Sandiga, Massimo, Piana, the Tekamaito, Luigi. I quite carry Sazi, carry taxi, have the Machina Mokogi. Amatanai, Upai, the wedding. Unpam necessary when Matthew 24 37 38. I'm going to Matthew 24 37 38. Sida iparake 37. But as the days of Noah were, so shall also the coming of the Son of Man be. Now I give matam do oiki bagumna ni masano par Prabhu Jesu Christ na lapong matam da su oigini. For as in the days that were before the flood, ishing chowding mamanga. They were eating and drinking, marrying and giving in marriage until the days that Noah entered into the ark. Noah na ang maning dasang di pawu meeting duna kadaba saduna takduna luhong duna luhong handuna adum le. Snapsa. Masini. Sina Noah dasang di pawu adum look tong parake. Kamay na habre yang Luke 17 gi Luke 17 da. 26 and it was in the days of Noah gi matamda way bugumna so shall it be also in the days of Son of Man mi gi masano pai matamda they did makoi charami they drank makoi na thakirami they married makoi luhonami wives they were given in marriages makoi luhongalami makoi na luhongi mi luhongalami until the day that Noah entered into the ark. Mokoi luhong je kedoba Noah abun sang di pawa chaba thakpa luhong duna leiba luhong an vibe se adum sathara mi hai and the flood came ising chaulai destroyed them all mokoi loina mang thila mi hai likewise also in the days of Lord ki matam da su hai they did eat they drank they bought they sold mokoi matam da tawje mokoi chai mokoi thai mokoi lei mokoi yole they planted mokoi na Thai yum sai, they builded, Mukoi yum sai, Mukoi Thai, Shumain told me. But the same day the Lord went out of Sodom, it rained fire and brimstone from heaven and destroyed them all. Even thus shall it be in the day when the Son of Man is revealed. So mine Lord ki matam du chuke daba Lord na ko moi Sodom ko mara dagi thokidriba mai nong thaktagi mai ki bol oina thadaraga mai na shona ko brimstone thadaraga adugumduna sakri phaw gandu thadaraga sakri phaw adu phaw moi sing ke daba Zaduna, Tatuna, Layduna, Yonduna, Taduna, Shaduna ko lerami. Makoi da ko there is no thought for God in their mind. Makoi da ko show you what wrong with it. Koi kari cha sike, koi kari thak sike, koi kamai to dana, koi na haksang de ning ba thungai kamai nang nupi log sike kamai dohongan tike have lerami. Nawai matam du adu ngai ichna sumai to dunu lerami. Aduna maram oidana makoi ja ke da makoi gi cha bathak phajina pungnung je Chuman gidana, Susan Gidana Mokoi Shorbu cocktail. Machine Marom with the Mokoi pop, I do it. I do not sabotage put the Mokoi control to drink. She knows a sabotage with a pop late. Sure, I could move the same girl near Quiggy the Mo Saba, tuck by the Quiggy, the knife for the revenue. At do boo, Shona Yada have a nothing chava, not on Matam Sada and Saba they go. Matam Nine, quite neither, not quite anyone Matam the Saba Takba. Tawase, Machina, Sokimatic Patti have said, Machina tap on you. Machina Maram with an old time quando Tonry mission at Tonry saying. Now I matam do go quay matam do ignan. Now I matam da sokimatic patti, who do matam do sokimatic patti. But see, Panamakim Maram de Kainokana, I can Saba to control of the way. It is because we do not control our appetite. We are being controlled by our appetite. A quick Sabbath and a quick control to him. A quick control to them. Patti have to quincharo them, Masidim Matam Sade, Masidim. Matang what they had a kind of control to Gudo, what did Mokoina Kaimo, what may Uber Sani, Ham Uber Saking the Naking the Amakandi, Sanning but Sinnasing Boko, Bangcha Sanning by the Kai, Power River, a quiggy, Sakauji control to woman, the still control to woman. Massina Maromo, a sotomatic pate, a sotomatic pat of the Hanialit, and a hojing matam no question of San, Ying Bio, but ya, public yam lady, sotomatic patre, hojing matanda. So they had a pat of Ivesy later. Must could not check in Oquin and by the Apataki Mapana Satanic could control them, a quotation Karamzu, Pazareko, Masi warning the Oquin low with them, a Shamokshu, knowing a Samokshu, that we couldn't must low with them, must low with missing a door, so then it's on a sagada, Bubung Gani, I've seen it. Snauza. Aduga Muyang say Matangamu Apataki Madame the Quina, a Muyang Momatanda, Ishawa, isn't it? It's a Massassin Crida. Lamhang the Sale, Lamang the Sapam Matanamokoi, Putrokumatam the Zuka, the way I haven't and the Mokoi, a patina control to the mission. Shonamokoi, number poets in that be a Mokoi, Sang at Sabi and a bit of even, pew, have them. Mokoi control to him. Sing I don't talk about Marie. I don't know, I control to Mokoi, loin pop time, Mokoi Lamang, the Loy show is now. Mokoi. I do go Mokoi Yang said, Ishao in Madame Yangche. Ishao Karikidama, Shideko. Genesis Genesis 25 32 34 25 32 34 and Esau said Mazin no Masa Talure Pangraba Matam the Halapum and the Mai Manam Project Comnaco Mokon the Sagam Karatundun Lerame Adumatam the man Hibini and say Esau said, Behold, I am at the point of to die. I shigdore him. Salamale, I don't know what shigdore. What profit shall this bride I do to me? Masigi bride I chinning on the Karikana Gani Hamney, Manapa. I do not Chana Bokraki Manapa, Nangi Bad I to your Hamney. I do Matan. I shigdore, I part right. What is the part right? Masigi bride I chinaka do know, I shigdore. The verse 30. Verse 34, 33 again. Then Jacob gave Esau bread and potash, Mokoida, Tan Musum Mokoina, Sagisa gave the pyramid of lentils, Hawaii Musori, he did eat and drink Manasare, Tae, and rose up Hogulame when his way mark in the Misakre, thus Asumna Esau despised his part right. I didn't mark it, Popi, but I to man to say, what is the part right? But I have to mark them around Mother. Have the Kano, but I have the Shona Mokoy Masanpa Hansing, Adu the Kedo, but time Pampi can be Mapu Pokni, Adu Mokam, Mapu Pokadaba, Adugi me adore, Adugi Makoto, Adugi Mata, Surola Kadaba, Adugi Sagay, Nupagi Sagay to way by having Shorty Piba, Proguji Sukita Pokadable line do over, Shona board Piba, me have to wait, the me have. Habidi Masikano, but I have say, ꯐꯪꯉꯤꯕ ꯃꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯔꯥꯝ ꯈꯨꯕꯝꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯃꯁꯨꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯁꯨ ꯐꯒꯗꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯕ ꯆꯥꯛ ꯂꯥꯝꯕꯗꯣ ꯃꯥ ꯀꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯣꯜ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯗꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯕ ꯃꯥ ꯁꯤꯗꯧꯔꯦꯅ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯪ ꯈꯥꯡꯗꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯈꯥꯡꯕ ꯉꯝꯗꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯔꯦ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯕꯥꯏꯠ ꯔꯥꯏꯠꯇꯨ ꯌꯣꯟꯊꯣꯛꯑꯦ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯔꯥꯝ ꯈꯨꯕꯝꯗꯣ ꯌꯣꯟꯊꯣꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯦꯕ ꯑꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯁꯩꯇꯥꯟꯅ ꯃꯥꯕꯨ ꯀꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯣꯜ ꯇꯧꯋꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯄꯥꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯗꯅ ꯔꯣꯃꯥꯟꯁ 9:13 Jacob have I loved but Esau I hated ꯍꯥꯏ Jacob ꯑꯩꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤ Esauꯕꯨꯗꯤ ꯇꯨꯀꯠꯆꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ Hebrew 12:6 ꯃꯁꯤ ꯋꯥꯔꯅꯤꯡꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯅꯥꯎꯁꯥ Hebrew 12:6 ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯄꯥꯖꯔꯛꯀꯦ Hebrew 12:6 for whom Hebrew 12:16 sorry 12:16 lest there be any fornicator or profane person aduna fornicator amchung oktaba lamchamaram oktaba nupa laitesunu as Esau who for a morsel of bread sold his part henko tan matum amagi damak sak sakhom amaki damak maki bat right to pokpagi tangpa mi kambi mo pokani habigi ma pokpagi shorna bor piba first born son makai de shorna bor piba adugumba bat right ishogi mi oigani shorna ma ko ran khobum pigani maki masanupa amung magi mathangi masanupa duda Prabhu Jesu Christ lakni line oigini haba paido saksa khom amaki mahangna yon thopa ngamneba sokin na phatabe asini snausa nang ai sunga si ko saksa khom amagi dama nang ai aran khum se yon thope masi warning se khoine lokse khoina kaligi dama saitan Prabhu Jesu Christ ma patai tem to ina je maramdi haidibam taing panda lakhra mi pung khudimo masida tu debam amata laite adugi dama ekoi huji Prabhu Jesu na ni funi zara hili to karino masai bu control to bangam ni ngai gi dama ni habse khoina ka opun che huji loishalakpada ina quotation khara pajari ke am serious soiba quotation LNG wine TV ba quotation khara lai masi khoni yengaga masi option mina si adu yengmina si hai sida conscience and diet and food hariba like asigi book page kuni thoda it is impossible for those who indulge the appetite to attain to Christian perfection appetite saba thakpaje appetite control tawdaba mi aduna Christian ama oigedabagi lamchat mapung phabai se kaidon ngdo oithoktabani ami aikoi mi amagi punsida kwadi maru webse karino aiba matanda sinausa lamchat haibisneba Christa ga manaba lamchat laiba in tapa mi na aikoi da phuraga ju saudaba yengnaba singbu nungsiba ngamba yamna nolokpa ai mangai rahina sataba aina kwadi tomde aina khanba laita laida tolaba kyabu mateng pangba ngamba changda pu khuding pu kopiba adugumba lamchat ado laiba se kedoba khogi puk se control to bangam diba mi aduna kaita hung ko ngamoi hai masi serious warning ni sinausan aduga mokhani yengse the inhabitants of the Nawakian world were destroyed because they were corrupt through the indulgence of perverted appetite and testimony for the church book volume 3 gi page 162 Nawa ki matam da laiba mi singdo ishona ko mokoi toina mangan ki manam di mokoi gi lamcha saja to achuk mate phatte kari namaro medana perverted appetite hamni mokoi gi appetite to control tawdra moi taning matam da chare aduna maro medana mokoi gi hakchang lamcha saja control to bungandre appetite control tawdramni na mokoi gi chakhau da chaning khuding gi piu craving la khuding anum chare aduna maro medana kedaba 24-hour function tawlere chakhau phatramna brain da mathau phajana tawbungam de apapata khanba ngamdre mi ne khatang ngang ko matan ping chawba asina chingba singa do laire adudagi sa chaba yu thakba asina chingba phatta balam chat chajan ma khaise loina control tawre aduna maram modena mkhona taw kudin phatta ba oire hojiki matam da ju sinawsa oire nang ai ko lam chat chaja control taw yadi appetite control taw kaipse yam maru oi habsni sida haiba lari adugi page 160 sida mo hai the prevailing sin, the indulgence of perverted appetite, inflamed the patience of men in the days of Noah and led to general corruption until their violence and crimes reached to heaven and God washed the earth of its pollution by flood. Perverted appetite have say, when appetite control to the Pate, Masina Maramoidana, Hydrom Nawagi Matamda Labor Mission, Domokoina, Hakchang inflamed patient ay makoy achangi nimba pamba kudim aduna ne giving in marriage ka luhong duna le ba ji luhong ba ji ya ka shu ka di niyom chuna luhong be matam di mana no pim pa me lawrani adu kana gum na lawning lawrani adu gum ba hakchang gi ba hakchang gi pam du khale maram di kai no apatai na control tawdre tawba ngamdrabni na patient du control tawba ngamdre adu no mara suki mate phasre sing chaw manghan batai khoi matam du sini ko khoi matam ri sing chaw na te mai na mangan gani hapsin sida masina leire adu ka sida hai Ellen White ko Christian Temperance and Bible Hygiene page 206 hai yam akan bu warning this is the strongest warning given to us. One of the highest attainment in Christian life is to control appetite. Ekoi Christian amai du ebegi kwai awang ba ekoi na phang ba ekoi na ta laga phang gadab je keno ekoi na appetite control to ba habsni. Without this victory harib je ekoi na joy to bang amdraba all hope of heaven is banned. Aina sarga sakani haina tawjaba asama kaido loi mangani. Ekoi gi sarga asa sungai letre appetite control to dormi sarga sukcha chalaro habji masini bisnam sa. Koi kawumji na koi na hana khangam da balai ga ju koi na kawji huji chaitana pithi da leba mi pung khodi mo isho gi thawai da bible da pungning changan di je kai gino habji masi appetite perverted appetite asina maram oidabni habji koi na kawumji du sida lere aduga muk for da yam serious the controlling power of appetite will prove the ruin of thousand hai masi appetite na control to bigi appetite control to bigi sakti asina mi sing ko mangan gine hai when if they had conquered on this point haribje makoi na ko ko mi bina harib appetite control to bang ngamba they would have had moral power to gain the victory over every other temptation of Satan haribje ko control to bang amdri Satana themak pa atem khudim any khudim mak se ko ni lai na control to bang amne appetite control to bang amdi ai da lakpa atem khudim loi na control to bang amne masing amdraba khoi kedong dang amaroi habini sida haje. But those who are slaves to appetite will fail in perfecting Christian character. Adune appetite ki minai oiba missing adu kaidoba makoi Christalam chan mapung phabang amaroi. The continent transgression of man for 6,000 years has brought sickness, pain, and death as its fruits. Aduna lepanai dana appetite control to dabno dana sahi lising taruk che control to dabno mersina miyoiba ekoi da kaidobi anaba adigi asigumba asiba haibche masigi mahi oina phange. And as we near the close of time, when Prabhu Jesu Christ na lakon matamje nak lima makai Satan's temptation to indulge appetite will be more powerful and more difficult to overcome. Hai Prabhu Jesu Christ na lakon nalo po khuding makai dawa Satan na na saba thakpuda Athemba tawje masigi Athemba je he na pangan kalakani aduga masi aikoi na ko control to bungam da control to bujuko he na warakani han sinawsa aikoi na he ngasi appetite control to bunga singam gidra hayang mathang dadi ko kedoba mathang lai na ko control to bunga khoi icha nu pam le enda thagat pe ginate ama matam da mo khoi jo angang oin dadi pangpi pije machi sing ama masina pangpi pije adubu kedoba haudi tiko matam zadana ko mina marakta acha poraju koina les mimi to da mangon da sawana min pi ba cha ro mama pa koina sabe ade ha gadi cha ro kenta pung tare makhai aduga nungthengi pung baro numdangi pung manga masi marakta kemda sade se khoina tambi control to khoju masi gi matung ni na bohone sinaw cha masi khoina amutang control to gadi le he control to gidraba masi di ko sungang ngoro yam warakani sinaw jing matam leiri khoi ishor pi ningai gi damo habje masini aduga mu yangshe it is the indulgence appetite and passion which make the truth of none effect upon the heart masi yam thasani kaigino hadi appetite na akoina kaino masina kaido he matan masin no puni ha keno masi control to dragati masina ko akoina ishorgi mina sarsta apabanga ju bible par ju ko masigi akoida ithen kari ta piba ngamroi achum da loksan ngaroi bible gi prabhu suna akoi gi damak sibiki mana sigi ba sina akoi gi arang khubum phangani habigi achum je akoina loksal roi base. It is impossible for the spirit and power of the truth to sanctify a man body and spirit when he is controlled by appetite and passion. Passion amso appetite control to dun lai ba mi aduna kadaba aikoi gi achumba sina ko aikoi gi lamcha saja pap sengdo kadaba koi ga chang je sho ya thang illaga ko achang pun simal hen ga do masi appetite sina control to ba makhidi masi sungam ngamoi ba aduna ji tang pa na lai ba mi sina pap thadok pang ngamoi pap thadok pang ngamoi koi gi pap tawra ga dum saga chakang yana hairip sigi maroi ba maram je krai de lai koi na appetite control to bangam dre machine control to bangam drabni na koi da la pa them mam kai duna ai koi ira la na kai tang anum pap ta le machine marom mo de ni snapcha first control appetite. Next, we can overcome every temptation. Then we will go to heaven. Habsi akoina matam khudingda akoina kaukum si habsi sinausa. Aduna aina side masi si quotation di loisalagi aduna aina mayam da haijaning mudi ko sinausa. Akoi hujing matam nei. Why did Jesus fasted 40 days and 40 nights? Kaigino nang aina appetite control to bungam dabdo. Mepung khudima control to bungam daduna na wa adam dagi horaga aikogi Prabhu Jesu Krishna ni suba laktingegi mamang da leba mission control ngam daduna ko norok ta sakadabdo adudagi kanningai ki dama kaidoba Prabhu Jesu Krishna na mini phuni chara hin kim sinausa ori matam dai we have time koina sinausa ngasi mako Prabhu Jesu Krishna ngawda koina no na ko mon da laga Prabhu ai ki appetite ai control to the bus cha thakpasin ai bu control to dun lai ri bse nang na pam da bu khai to ri bse ai ngasi dagi na ki na phum da surrender to jra engona pangal kari su laite I don't have any strength ai pangal laite ai nangunda changja ban tan hai na khoi ngasi Prabhu Jesu Krishna hek hujik tu jaraga hojik mukop singa ma da hek haijaba matam da mang ko ai da victory pi bigini mang ai da sakti pi bigini sinausa aduga ai hek saram dai matam da masidi matam chati masidi shona sa gnu haibni haibda hek lakpo matam da khoina प्रार्थना तो गुदम है मिन चाव है तो प्रार्थना तो गुदम मतम नतन सागुम से चिनाव सा सोना साग ने है तो सागुम है तो सागुम से थकुम है तो थकुम से अदुगा साब थक अफा ओइरसु को मतम सान एगी टाइमिंग अमदुगी मतुमिना खोइना चा खोइना अदुगो अदुमाइ तरोग लेसी अदु तारि सैताने खुबु कंट्रोल तो बुंगा मोय चिनाव सा एगी वीडियो असुबु ताबिरिबा नखोजु मसिदगी मसि कंट्रोल तो याना खनब्रा करिगुंबा एगी मेसेज से मसि की वार्निंग से नखोइना करिगुंबा लौदा पतारबदि नंगी पुंसी नत्रगा आइन लौदा पतारे एगी पुंसी सोइदना नरोक्ता चनियागी नंबी ओइगे सिनावसा अदुना कोइ appetite control तौनियागी दमो प्रभु यीशु ख्रीष्ट मंदले हुजिन माना हाइजरिंग दको ममोंदा तुजरा खान्दको माना एखोइदे शक्ति पिरगा मसि कंट्रोल तौबंगनी नंजु कंट्रोल तौबयाना लेपा तारगदि हुजिन आइना नहाकी दमो प्रार्थना तौगनी एगी दमो दुगा खंगदब इसिनावसिंद मसिगे अचुमबसे नखोइना शेयर तौगदनि खंगनगदनि टाइम पांदा मीना नंदना पाप तौरिजे अदुम टाइम पांजन नमगे फत्तबे हंजले कइनो कना appetite control to the winning. Angang sassing to pizza is not good for health. Machine appetite control to dress Satan, quick brain, don't control to me. Appetite mapana, Satan, quick brain, control to we. I do appetite, a queen control to Loga, shown a quick pinch control to G. After Massi a family. That we will quite a poor proportion of Natos. Sagadale by show, Yam Taksere, Nakitogandagi. Nasigi numit asida Prabhu Jesu Christagi Ahanba tem Athemba haibudagi maramda khoini nina khai mana timing lo matang de pa kari ki dama ma ko cha pathak patha themi bino haibudagi maramsu papsabam naina khara haibudagi khara naina jakare maside pa na pot nabi aina ngamuda sakki bu kya yausing apiu masigi samona se bui pa Tari ko mitong khudimukta na hana pot pibiu makoy da su appetite control to ngamdrabadi makoy na nangon sa minda tawrabadi pa na hana pangal pibi to na masilo ina control to hopong ngamanbiu aduga khoy lamcha saja control to ne pa nakin thola ba sa pan pan pi ha do biu makatar ko su na no loina biu Prabhu Jesu Christ gi minda ko ndari